This is Sandeep Pednekar over here from Zoc Technologies. Today we are going to speak on ITIL V4, especially on aligning to manage the current changing technology and the new business requirements. Before that, let's understand what's ITIL V4. It's basically a digital operating system, something which enables organization to co-create effective value from the IT supported products and services. It promotes a greater alignment with newer ways of working, such as Lean, Agile, and DevOps. We take guidance from Lean, Agile, and DevOps to co-create the business value. Just understand the difference between traditional ITSM and current service management. When I say traditional ITSM, it means delivering technological solutions. But as far as current service management is concerned, it is delivering business value. So, ITIL V4 is all about providing guidance to the service provider, addressing the new service management challenges which have come up because of AMT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, utilizing the potential of modern technology, improving the IT capabilities of the service provider so that it will help the consumer. Please understand this diagram. It is a basic framework for ITIL V4. This is called as the service value system. It is the core nucleus. Whenever any demand comes in from the customer, it is taken as an opportunity. There are certain guiding principles. As I said previously, you can take certain guiding principles from Agile and Lean. You have a governance model in place. It can be your C-suite. It can be your IPC, Incident Problem Change Management. It can be your project manager. Then there are certain practices which are there. These 34 practices, general, service and technical management practices. You adopt those practices, do build up the product, do build up the services and do a continual improvement and provide value to the customer. In the previous diagram, we saw the service value system. If you recollect the center, the core center, it was this service value chain. It is expanded and shown over here. So a demand comes in, it's taken as an opportunity and ultimately you give the value by utilizing the guiding principles, by utilizing the practices. So if you look at this diagram carefully, please understand it is nothing but application development, transition and maintenance. Look at it carefully. You plan things. Accordingly, you design it. Accordingly, you engage people to work on it. You build a certain thing. You test it. You deliver it. And you deliver the products and the services to the customer and provide support over here. So as I said, it is development of the product, development of the application or the software, transitioning it for maintenance. Looking at this, the service value system and the service value chain, it's affected by PEST. But before that, let me tell you that whatever happens whenever you want to engage a team, what information and technology you are going to utilize, there are the 4 dimensions which come into picture. The organizations and people, the information and technology, partners and suppliers. There is a difference between partners and suppliers. Partners are someone with whom you partner and supplier is someone who provides you with a certain thing. It can be a laptop, it can be the technology. Value streams and processes. Value streams and processes. The processes go hand in hand. These are the list of activities which create these value streams. And here they are affected by PESTL. the political factors, the economical factors, the social factors, technological factors, legal factors, and environmental factors. But all together, because these four dimensions work in a cohesive way, they are able to, as a service provider, provide value to the customer. So, how does it work? As an organization, they have their own products. For these products, they provide the services to the consumers. For this, they align with the service provider to create the value. There are multiple stakeholders who are involved, including the suppliers, the third-party vendors, governmental agencies, and of course, there's an influence of PESTEL. So, if you look at this cohesive relationship, DevOps always is at the center. Because as I said earlier, you have development, you have transition, and you have the operations. And over here, if you look at it, there you can see this cohesive relationship where ITIL takes bits and pieces, the guidance from Agile, Lean, TOC. TOC is nothing but the theory of constraint where you find out the weakest link. Cloud computing, CD, continuous delivery. Here, the main part is automating the processes. People are advised to automate it by using a certain tool. It can be an RPA tool as well. So this is how it works in cohesion with different terminologies, with different technologies, and with different frameworks. So, in a nutshell, to summarize, ITIL V4 infuses the latest best practices. It can be agile, it can be lean, it can be artificial intelligence, machine learning, DevOps, and merges it with the traditional ITIL best practices. Also, it involves defining the activities, the different workflows, the processes, procedures, templates, tools which are available on Excelos. They needed to achieve the agreed business objective, in addition to determining how different components of the organization come together, work together in a unison, and enable value co-creation through products and services. So, this was Sandeep P. Pednekar over here from Zot Technologies. Thank you for listening and see you soon.